Alright, so for my eyebrows, all I do is I come in with my spoolie, straighten up my hairs, and then I'm using my Wet n Wild Kohl Color Icon Pencil in the color Simmer Brown. And what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to just outline my eyebrow. Alright. Once I've outlined my brow, then I come through on my LA Girl Auto Liner Pencil in the color brown. It's like faded, you can't really see it. Pencil. And then I just fill in my outline. And once I have that filled in, even if I mess up at all, it's perfectly fine because this is where the concealer comes into play. So I'm going to use two concealers. I'm going to use the Master Conceal by Facestudio, and this is Maybelline. And then I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer HD High Def Concealer in the color Espresso. So one is lighter than my complexion and the other one is my complexion. So the lighter one I'm going to use at the bottom of my eyebrow so I could highlight it. And then the one that's my complexion, I'll use it at the top. And this one here comes with a brush at the tip. I have the option of either using this brush or using a different brush, and I usually use a different brush, but I absolutely can use that brush too. To me, that brush is just a little softer, and so I tend to use a different brush. I like it to be a little more firm. I come right there above my brow. For the next side, I do the same thing. And then I'll come through with like a little makeup sponge, and then I'll just dab on it. And then I do away with most of this concealer here. And same thing on this side. And then I go over the top now. So we're getting there. And then I come back with this brush that I used, this angled brush that I used at the top. I'll come back and feather out my inner brows. I do not keep too much concealer left on this. Kind of do it like that. Alright, like that. And my eyebrows are kind of close together, but I naturally have a unibrow. I got another confession. I love my unibrow, but eventually I decided to remove it, but I try to mimic my brow as closely as possible. So I will do my finger like so and remove some excess in the middle, and then I will just feather this up. Feather this out so it won't look too it won't start off too harshly. Okay, and that is basically how I do my eyebrows. I think it's fast, easy, and simple. And I hope my instructions on how I showed you I did mine can help you to get yours to the way you like it too, because everybody has different brows, and so the way that I do it, it won't be exactly the same for you, but it can work. Some of the techniques can work and help. And so, those are my brows. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Much love.